We are the Group 1. The name of our business is KGRK Cafe.
The nature of our business is KGRK Cafe is a food and beverage businesses that services freshly brewed coffee, milk tea, pastries, and light meals in a cozy and relaxing environment.
How we communicate with our customers? We communicate with our customers through face-to-face service at the cafe, social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram. Our email is kgrkcafe@gmail.com and our phone number is 0912-345-6789. We also post regular on social media to promote our product and attract more customers.
The story of our business of KGRK Coffee was founded by a group of friends who share the same love of coffee, milk tea, and pastries. During our high school days, we often spend time together studying and hang out different coffee. One day, we thought, what if we start our own coffee? Since we already know how to make good coffee and how to attract customers, we decided to turn on idea into reality.
The address of our business is Purok 2, Bayugan 2, San Francisco, Agusan del Sur, Philippines. And that's all. Thank you.